unboxing and review of a YouTube lightbox. Let's do it. Hi, this is Vojko Mihnja. Welcome to the vlog. As you can see, I'm back in my studio. It's a beautiful Saturday early afternoon, and you might be wondering why there's nothing on my desk. Well, today I will need my desk for an unboxing. Remember, in one of my other videos I said that I want to continue decorating the background here, especially with a light box, an LED light box. And guess what? I ordered one. It has arrived. All I have to do is go downstairs, pick it up, and come back to the studio for an unboxing and review of a YouTube light box. Let's do it. Right, the box has opened and here's the light box. Pretty heavy, heavier than I thought it would be. Alright, let's go back upstairs. I'm back, got my pair of scissors and cutter. Time to switch to this camera and begin the unboxing and review. Let's do this. Alright, so here's the box. As I said, downstairs, it's pretty heavy. Let's see, can I find how much it weighs? No, all the information is in Chinese, never mind. So, size 34 by 8 by 25 centimeters. Let's open it up. And look at this! Crazy! Cinema light box. Size, different size. It's the A4 size, 30 by 22. This said 34 by 25. Never mind. Wait, I just found out something else in here. Okay, so I have two hooks with tape at the back. Alright, so light box, live, love, laugh, create your words. Same thing at the back. Okay, this product includes one LED light, one set of letters and symbols, one USB connector. Warning, parents, this is not a toy. Keep away from children under 3. I like it. Let's stay safe. There's no maker on the box. The box is pretty nice. Pretty nice. Look at this. Okay, let's open it up. Woohoo! Very nice. Here's my USB connector. Alright. And the light box itself is wrapped in another protective, kind of like foamy sheath. And I have, holy smokes, look at this. Numbers, letters, symbols, and all these cute symbols and colored, I don't know, emojis and other pictures. Look at this. And colored letters at the back. Okay, a bit later. So, very, very nice box. I might keep it for, I think it's gonna fit perfectly here. We'll see. I'm keeping this one. Alright, so let's open up the box. Okay. So, this is it. This is the light box. You have 3 rows here, and you can put your message there in the ridges there. And at the back, AA batteries. I have AA's here, bought them 2 days ago from Miniso. This was 10 yuan. The light box was around 40 yuan. Okay, so now it's light. Okay, I think these are pretty heavy. Let's start by putting the batteries in. Okay, why I'm using batteries and not USB cord? Not sure where I'm gonna plug this in if I wanna display it here. I'm not sure how I'm gonna put it up though. We'll see. Anyway, 2 more batteries. Let's close this. And are we ready for this? I really hope it works. And ta-da! This is so good. This is crazy. Very nice. All right, and I have the hole here for the USB. So this would go in here, and you would connect the USB to a USB charger, I guess, a phone charger. But then I think it's kind of ugly. Like, how am I going to mask it if I don't have any charging point near the wall? Anyway, it should also stand by itself. So it's pretty cool even if I wanna just leave it here. Oh, this is just great. All right, so what's the message that I'm gonna put here? Well, the motto of this YouTube channel is travel more, live life. This is the Travel More, Live Life vlog. So let's spell out the words. Okay, it's time to review the letters. They come in a sheet like this, and then let's see, it's very easy to just remove one by one. Oh no, there are so many things. Look at this. So let's spell it out. And ta-da! Travel more, live life. Now, before I turn on the light here on the LED light box, I just want to share with you how these words have all a very thin protective film which you can remove to make sure you know that the letters were not scratched in advance. I did not remove all the films because they look just wonderful. And now, are we ready for this? Travel more, live life. What I love is the like button, the anchor, which symbolizes for me traveling, and obviously the black cat. This is just beautiful. Alright, so what I noticed on the other camera when I reviewed the video was that the L moved next to the cat. So yes, it is true, these move around very, very smoothly. So if you shake the box, let's shake the box. Okay, the letters move a bit, but that's fine. This box is to be stationary. Travel more, live life. Okay, now it's time to decide where to put this box. First of all, I think just leaving it here on my desk would be super cool, and at night it gives a bit of a light too next to the lamp, which is fine. But initially I wanted to put it up there. So how I would go about doing that? Well, at the back there are 2 holes for hooks. I would hook it like this, and there's a double-sided sticker at the back of this hook, and I guess you could just stick it on the wall. But then again, these are not my walls. I don't want to stick too much on the wall. So I think I'm just gonna leave it here on the desk and turn it on and off whenever I'm at the desk working or recording. It uses batteries, 6 AA batteries. You can also use USB cable. So if I'm gonna leave it on the desk, I'm gonna use the USB cable. If I ever plan to or manage to put it up on the wall somehow, I will use the batteries. So now the question comes, what's this light box useful for? First of all, gives nice light at night. So if you're working at a desk and you only have the desk lights on, you'll have the lamp, and the LED box would give enough light for you to work at your laptop or whatever you do at your desk. It's a good place to put your life goals, your mottos, the reminders that you should visualize every day. Mine is travel more, live life, love cats, travel, just keep it up, be positive. Also, this LED light box is great to, surprise someone on their birthday. So my wife's birthday is coming up soon. I might just put a message over here because I've got plenty other messages that I can form with all these cool emojis. Another thing you could use the light box for is to teach your child how to spell. I mean, wouldn't this be great? The light is off. Ask your kid to spell. Choose maybe a symbol that represents the word, like this doggy here. Spell dog, put the image, and then say, okay, show me, I will check, and turn on the light. The kid turns on the light, and then you say, wow, great job, that's spelled right. If it's spelled wrong, you could say, lights off, try again. This makes a great sign. A sign at the office, a sign in your home office, a sign outside the door, a sign everywhere. It is just a cool product to have around, especially if you want to beautify the background of your YouTube studio. I think the light box also makes a great gift. So if you want to give someone an inexpensive gift, then I think it's pretty meaningful. You can give this as a gift. Why not? I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review of the LED light box. I'm saying for a YouTube video. And until next time, this is Voicu Mihnea signing off from Beijing. Ciao.